keep our diver Sachier safe. Do you think you can do that?
I don't know.
Okay. Need a little more confidence. Sure you can do it. Say, yes I can.
Yes, I can.
Awesome. Now, do you think she can hear you through this?
No.
You're right. Now, so just like if you were underwater with her, we're going to do a few diver hand signals, okay? So the first one is we're going to ask her if she's okay. So we're going to do the, are you okay signal. So ask her if she's okay. Perfect. So come on over and we're going to hit the first button. So you're going to hit this button right here. Yep, hit hard. Perfect. You got it? All right. So I want you to keep an eye on Sachier. Now, this lifeguard chamber here is actually 27 feet tall, and it's going to fill with about 4,000 gallons of water. So it's going to take about 2 minutes to fill. Now, chambers like this are used on submarines and maybe like the International Space Station. We use chambers, lifeguard chambers, to go from one environment to the next. So here we're going from land to water. Now, you wouldn't want to maybe open a submarine door underwater, would you? That would be a mistake. So we're going to use something like this. Now, what is your favorite marine animal, Jack?
Stingray.
That is awesome. Have you seen our stingrays yet?
Yes.
Can you tell everyone where you would find them?
Up in the observation area.
Awesome. Exactly. Upstairs, down that hallway, we have 4 different kinds of stingrays. So that's a perfect example. Now, I think she's ready, so he's going to ask her if she's okay one more time. And then we're going to send her up. So we're going to give her the thumbs up to send her up. Perfect. Now, when she gets about halfway, we're going to give her a hold signal, which is this fist. So we're going to tell her to hold. Then we're going to tell her to turn around. Now, what is on her back? Do you know what that is?
Air or oxygen.
Exactly, an air tank. Now, that tank is going to hold enough air for her to breathe for about an hour to an hour and a half underwater. Now, she can't breathe with it just on her back. She's got to get it from her back to her mouth. So, how she does that is with her regulator. Now, she's going to open it and blow all those bubbles everywhere. Now, the next thing that's really important she has is called a BC, or Buoyancy Compensator Vest. And she's going to show you how she uses it. So that vest can fill up with air or release the air, and she can go up and down in the water. Now, in the wild, or when you're swimming in the ocean, what's really nice about this is you can use it to find a neutral buoyancy. So if you want to maybe go see all the coral reefs, you want to find that neutral buoyancy so you don't run into our really fragile and endangered coral reefs. Maybe you don't want to steer maybe the stingrays or the sea turtles. Now once you find that neutral buoyancy, sometimes your mask fills up with water. So she's going to show us, just in case, if your mask fills up with water, what you can do. So she tilts her head back and blows bubbles out of her nose, and she can get all the water out of her mask, which is pretty cool. Now the next thing I want to ask her, if she's seen my favorite animal, the sea turtle. So we're going to have everybody do the sea turtle signal together. So if you put one hand out, and then the other one on top. Now you're going to wiggle your thumbs. Let's see if she's seen them. No. No, that's not surprising. All 7 species of sea turtles are either threatened or endangered. So it's not really surprising that she hasn't seen them. But what does she have?
A bag.
She does have a bag, but if you were a sea turtle, what do you think that might be?
Jellyfish.
You're right. Sea turtles sometimes see trash in the water and think it's maybe food. And sea turtles love jellyfish. Now, do you think that jellyfish are very good for, or trash bag jellyfish are very good for them?
No.
I don't think so either. So, how can we keep our sea turtles safe and maybe all of our animals in the ocean?
Clean up the ocean.
You're right. So cleaning up after it, could we maybe recycle? Or even using reusable bags. So we have reusable bags instead of even using our plastic bags. Now I think our diver Sachi might be ready to come down, don't you think? So if this was up, what do you think down is? Perfect, so let's bring her down. So our diver Sachi is using another technique. Instead of him